Forgotten comedian Melusi Chiripowako has given President Emerson Mnangagwa 8 months to step down or face war. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel. Chiripowako, better known as Ray Vines, is not new to controversy after he recently angered pro-opposition activists when he defended ZANU-PF while describing Mnangagwa as Uchi Hani. Now the same Chiripowako has said he is now fed up with the ruling party. He has given Mnangagwa 8 months to step aside or face war. Public warning message to ZANU-PF, its leadership and followers. I'm giving you 8 months to step down. I've had enough of you. Time to go now, boys, said Chiripowako. In January, Chiripowako shocked many when he claimed that Mnangagwa was not just an accomplished political figure, but also the most handsome president in the world. These are the shocking words delivered by Ray Vines to Emerson Mnangagwa, saying we're now done with Mnangagwa. Tell us what you think down in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.